Hey guys, Irene here. Today we are at Princess Island Park and I'm gonna do something a little bit different, something that I haven't really done before. I've been really fascinated by this Instagram account called the Dogist, and the photographer just goes around New York City and takes pictures of the dogs. And you guys know that I love dogs. I have a cute little pupper, Luna, so I thought that I definitely need to do this. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna walk around the park, find any cute dogs and see if we can, I don't know, snap some cute pictures of the dogs. So let's go. Excuse me, can I bother you for a second if you're not in a hurry? I'm a photographer and I take pictures of dogs on the streets. Oh. Is it okay if I take a picture of your dog?
Sure. Yeah?
Can you just go just right over here so we don't get hit by a bike?
Shanty.
Shanty? Oh, you're so cute. Oh my god. Okay, let me see. Oh, just one more. Oh. Oh, she's afraid.
Well, she's just a puppy. She's just 11 months old.
Oh. Maybe she won't be afraid if she sniffs me. She's like, nope, I don't like her smell.
Come here.
Just like one more picture. Oh, there it is. Shanty, Shanty. Oh, I got it. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Also, we're just shooting like a little behind the scenes of it. Yeah. Is that okay? Oh, yeah. Is that cool? Oh, awesome.
He's shaking because he's so cool.
Oh. Oh my god, what a cutie.
His name's Finley.
Finley. Finley. There we go. Oh, we got it. Just spotted a dog. We're gonna try to get the picture of it. I'm a photographer and I'm doing a project where I take pictures of the dogs. Is it okay if I take a picture of your dog?
You can get him to sit still.
We'll try. What's his name?
Thisbe.
Thisbe. Oh, you're so nice. Can I take a picture of you now? Stand there. Thisbe. Oh, you're so cute. Thank you so much.
No problem.
I see another dog over there. Excuse me, sorry to like bother you. I'm a photographer and I'm doing a project where I take pictures of the dogs on the street.
Go ahead.
Awesome. They're so adorable. You guys.
Hi.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
Smiling?
Okay. Okay, so it's finally getting a little bit more busy and we're seeing more dogs because when we came here there was like no one here. But also, just a little tip, if you are trying to do this, you have to be very, very quick with the pictures. You don't want to take too long and just kind of annoy the people. So I try to snap my picture as quick as possible to take as less of their time as possible. So yeah. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for more dogs, more cute dogs. Hopefully we're gonna see more of them. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm a photographer and I'm doing a project where I take pictures of dogs on the street.
Yeah?
Can I take a picture of your dogs?
Sure, yeah.
They're so adorable.
Thank you.
Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Aww. Okay, but let me take a picture of you. Oh my god, they're so adorable. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, that's okay. Oh, just one sec. I'm almost done. Awesome. They look so good. Awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, Oliver. Oh, you're so cute. If you can just hold him close to you like that. Oh yeah, and I love you tattoo. Can you like hold it like that?
All right.
He saw that dog over there. That's what he wants. If I can take just one more.
Oliver, hey.
Oliver, come here. Okay, at least he's looking that way. Okay, I got it. I got it now. Thank you, guys. We can try to get that one dog too.
Doggy number 2.
Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, I'm a photographer and I'm doing a project where I take pictures of dogs on the street.
Yeah.
Can I take a picture of your dog?
Really?
Yeah, if you want to just like hold him by you, it's just like your legs and the dog.
You want him to sit?
That would be awesome.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
actually, he's standing like that. It's really cute too. Oh, he's so cute. Can you do one sitting? If he can. If not, that's totally fine. He's so cute.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. I got a really nice one. Thank you so much. I feel like I'm just like prowling on these dogs, like waiting on them, just snooping around like a predator or something. But so far it's a lot of fun, and everyone is so nice. Everyone loves their dogs, obviously, so they don't mind getting their dogs like taking a picture. It's a little bit stressful though, because you have to think so fast, and some of the dogs are not really into the camera. So it's a little bit challenging, but definitely super fun. I see 2 dogs. Okay, now we just have to be cool and come up to her and ask for a picture. They're cute little dogs. I just have to be inconspicuous right now. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm a photographer and I take pictures of dogs on the street. Is it okay if I take pictures of your dogs?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. They're so cute. Oh. And this one right here, oh. Oh, that was cute. Wait, this one? They are so cute.
What is it?
Oh my god, I can't get. 1 second, sorry.
He was just sitting out.
Oh, there you go. Oh, cute. Okay, I got it. Thank you so much. Those are hard. Those are really hard. They're so hyper. The small dogs are like, some of them are really scared and some of them are really hyper. So they're hard, and especially if there are 2 of them, they're like feeding off each other of the energy. So it's hard to get 2 of them in the shot. So I've been trying to just get like separate shots of them. I think I still got, okay, I got at least 1 of the lighter dog. That's cute. Oh no, I got them. Oh, I got a really cute one. Okay, I'm happy. I mean, how can you not get a cute picture of a dog? Come on. It's actually practically cheating. Excuse me. I'm a photographer and I'm doing pictures of dogs on the streets. Can I take a picture of your dog? So cute. Oh, he's so adorable. Here we go. Got it. Thank you so much. Awesome. There's another one right here. That's this one. Hi. Sorry, I'm a photographer and I'm taking pictures of dogs on the streets. Can you take a picture of your dog?
Sure.
Awesome. What's her name?
Ina.
Ina. Ina.
She's
She wants your hot dog.
good.
Oh, there she is. Ina. Oh. Ina.
From the Humane Society.
Oh. Okay, I got one. Oh, she's so adorable. Thank you so much. Excuse me, can I bother you for a second?
Sure.
Just over there. Yeah. Oh, she's
You wanna look at the
trained. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Actually, if she just is it a girl?
It's a boy.
It's a boy. Okay, just like that, and if she can he can look at me. Sorry.
Yeah, sure. Actually, can you do me a favor? Just hold that above the camera. I'll go looking directly at it. What's that? Sit. No.
Aww. Wait.
Oh, got it.
What?
Let me try this. Sit. Ah, sit.
Ah, here we go. Here we go. Oh, Oh my God, poor thing. Okay, I think I gotta thank you so much. That was so cute. Alright, so we are done with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my links. They will be in the description. Also, check out Matt, who is filming the video. He's also a really talented photographer. I'll leave his link in the description down below. If you guys would like me to do this again, let me know. I'll do it. It was a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!